play with me, Most. Don't play with me. Hold on. Alright, I got some. Tunnel vision on Cyclops. You bozos in my blind spots. Cause I can't see y'all. My levels on Skybox. Got the game locked, I'm on top like a shot clock. I could do this shit on one leg like it's hopscotch. I be where the cops not. I be where them Glocks pop. Pain got the Glock cock. Put it to your snot box. Shorty make it pop lock. When I'm in that dot box, my dildo stay hard. Yeah, I got that rock cock. Ooh. I say what I wanna say. Dykes got my name in their mouth every other day. Talking on the internet, fuck it, I'ma sip to that. Cause if I really wanted to, I could put it into that. M.A. been a threat, call me Mrs. Get Away. Cold-hearted fly, nigga, bitches call me Winterfresh. I'm back on my bullshit. Still in the hood on my hood shit. Still walk in the corner store by a wood tip. Still got the P89 with a full clip. Still buy the 4 chicken wings from the Chinese. Still run up on Mr. Softy for that ice cream. Still looking at a fat ass in them tight jeans. And still I'ma shine on these niggas like the high beam. Still I had a great year though. Thought they could get rid of me, but I'm still here though. Did a lot of interviews, made a couple business moves. So before you judge me, step into my tennis shoes. Record label owner, no college diploma. They know me on the West Coast. Shout out to Tacoma, South by Southwest concert. I sold out Webster Hall without a sponsor.
Cause I'm a monster.
Now this year I'm about to go bonkers. Got the city locked from Brooklyn to Yonkers. Made a lot of thousands, but still I can count it. Now these checks about to be bigger than the Parkers. Sleepwalking, threw them in the coffin. The feedback was crazy, real niggas supported. Put it out for free and the streams was enormous. Put it out on iTunes and still people bought it. I call that love. I am what every girl want. I call that Uggs. How you hate but you listening? I call that bug. Save it, you washed up, man. I call that dub. When I wanna hit the club, I just call that plug. Red life, we a family. I call that blood. When they see who the best out, I am that stud. Man, they can't fuck with me. Are they on that drug? Went from spitting bars on that Hot 9 station. Now you hear that Henny and some hoes in rotation. Man, this feeling is amazing. And this freestyle feel like Rap City Basement. I remember listening to 50. Now you see me on This Is 50. Out here making big moves. My next plan is a house with about 6 rooms. With a big backyard I can land on. Somewhere I can call home without a landlord. My life about to be a movie with a camcorder. Blowing through the money like the fan on. Stacks rubber band long. If I was you, I would hate me too. And if I wasn't who I am, I would play me too. But now I'm here and you stuck with me, crazy glue. But isn't that ironic, cause I'm crazy too. So me on Fox 5 in that Yankee blue. So chill, gold grill, braids 2x2. Competition, tell me who is that? In the bank is where I'm coolin' at. Never knew to that, I'm true to that. Y'all waste with a sewage at. Get them fixed with a super hat. I be in Brooklyn where the shooters at. They throwing shots, then I'm shooting back. New niggas don't got room for that. To your level, never stoop to that. Shit, I would be a fool for that. I got the crown, never losing that. I beat the pussy till it's blue and black. I like it over where the cougars at. Nah, these niggas think I'm playing with them. Yo, Red Light taking over this shit, bro. I'm not playing with